I want how to create users manually. So if you want to create a user manually, you can go to the Okta admin console and directory people section. You are going to create one user, and just need to click on it. So what I did, as usual, I said Okta instance. I came here, and I'm there in admin console. This is the admin console, and I clicked on directory people, and here I'm going to give new user. So I'm clicking add people, and user type is there, and user type is user I specified, and here I'm going to specify that mails instance. So let's say I want to create a user Rakesh and a sale point, and always you need to give mail ID. So I wanted to give mail ID as Rakesh123. So I'm typing here, and secondary mail I want to say it is optional. And after that, what I'm doing, I'm clicking on this. So I can set a password, or else I can send an email also. I want create one user. This is the way I specified here, and activate now is there, and I can set a password also. Activate now is there, activate later is there. So let me set for activate later and save here. So now as soon as I clicked here, it is going to create one user. But if you see, this is the user, it is created, and user is there in the staging staged status. So now if I click here, if I want to activate, I can click on activate. And if you wanted to suspend also, I can suspend. So let me click on activate. I'm clicking on activate. And as soon as I clicked on it, and it is going to activate the user, but it is going to send a mail to user. So let me go to that user's mailbox. Now I clicked on it, user's mailbox. I am there in the user's mailbox. See, this is my Rakesh123 mailbox, and I clicked on here, Okta, and I'm clicking here, activate Okta account. Then it is going to activate the user, and for that user, this is the different user, right? So it is asking me to set the password. So here I'm setting the password, and as user, it is going to ask me Okta verify account setup, and I clicked on here. This is single user. Each user is a different user. So you can use this mobile. You can use mobile, and you can use the Okta whereby it is going to specify the account. It is going to add a new account in your mobile. So before that, you need to use Okta Verify mobile app in your. You need to install Okta Verify app. So this is a normal user. And this user has logged in, and if you see, he is only seeing apps and no other things he's seeing. This is the way it is you are going to create one user. So I'll be showing you multiple approaches. How do you create bulk users and all? So I'm stopping this thing.